Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about the software VESTA. It is a structural analysis software. We can extract the reference XRD data using this software. So from CIF file to reference data. So first of all we have to download the software VESTA. You can easily download it from Google. You can see the latest stable versions. So as per your system you can download it easily from the website. Once the file downloaded, you have to open the VESTA file. Then you have to click the application of VESTA. You need to give extract all and you have to select the file location. Then it's a simple procedure. We can click the VESTA. You could see the VESTA application. Just open it. That's all. For CIF file, we need to download it from Crystallographic Open Database. So just type it in Google, Crystallographic Open Database. The page will appear like this. You need to select the search option. So the search option appear like this. So first we need to give the elements. So I'm going to see about bismuth telluride. So I give bismuth and tellurium. Then the number of distinct element, minimum and maximum, it's 2 only. The number of elements 2 only. So we need to select the CIF. So it is easily download. Using this website we can easily download whatever files, CIF files we can easily download. Once it download, we have to go VESTA page, the VESTA software. So you can just open the file. So it will give all information about the CIF file. So we have to extract the reference pattern. So just we have to give utilities and click the powder diffraction pattern and click the calculate. So you can see the plot, the XRD diffraction pattern for bismuth telluride. It is a reference pattern. So you can see the reference pattern up to 120 theta. So just click the calculate. You can able to see the HKL plane values and D spacing and full width of maximum and 2 theta position and the phase also you can see. Just click on the file. You can able to import and export data. So I just give export data and just click the file location. It will give the XY format also. So you can save as a type XY. Then simply you can open the file in Notepad and you can easily draw using origin. That's all. We can easily download more files using Crystallographic Open Database. That's all. Thank you.